Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Nailsea today, bought some junk. I bought that. It's a battery powered fan intended for clipping on your pushchair to keep your kids cool. I just thought I might see if I can do a fan driven car with it, just for the fun of it. I've got a rubber band powered car I made recently. Should be able to just sit that on it and see if it's got enough thrust to blow it along. 2 AA batteries required. So we'll look at that in a separate video. Right, little radio controlled car with power. Obviously no transmitter. I did have virtually identical. I think they were red in colour. In fact, I 3D printed modified bumpers for them so that my grandsons could play radio controlled football with them. I put sort of cow catcher bars on them so you could push a tennis ball along. But I thought, yeah, we'll have a go at that. Oh, that cost me £2. That was more than I really wanted to pay, but I was feeling generous. That. Same charity shop. Over the rainbow, according to that. I do have a thing for music boxes. Oh yeah, it is over the rainbow, isn't it? I've done various things with them. Powered a car with one. I just have a collection of them, so check the video description. There'll be a link to my collection of music boxes. That is rather nice. That's obviously laser cut and laser printed. £2. The mechanism, when you try and buy them online, is that sort of price or a bit more. £2 for that, £2 for that. And then, don't tell Manny, another kite, £3. We'll open it up and see what it looks like. I can feel there is the handle in there. As for whether the rest of it's complete, we'll have a look. Looks like it's a standard diamond kite. With tail. Oh. Is that really Bill Bailey? Comedian stroke musician. Does look like him. Gosh. A Bill Bailey kite. Well, that was unexpected. I did not expect that. Oh, we'll have to fly that sometime.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.